Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a rev battle rematch between my 2014 Ford Mustang and my 2013 Nissan 370Z. Now I did a rev battle a little over a year ago, but I did change up the exhaust on the Nissan a little bit, so I want to do it again. So the mods for the 2014 Ford Mustang are a Roush cold air intake and Roush axle back exhaust. And the mods for the 2013 Nissan 370Z are a Z1 cold air intake, Motordyne Art test pipes, and a Motordyne catback exhaust. So I'll let you guys listen to what the idle sounds like. So yeah, we'll see which one is louder. I'll see you guys in a few minutes.